we finally got one. I just happened to look over in my rod. Oh, I can pick him up, D. Oh, okay. Woo! Yeah! Finally got one. Fat little sucker. Hopefully you guys can see that. The lighting ain't very good. So we finally got one. Yep, circle hook right in the corner of the mouth.
Car.
And we got a car coming.
Gosh, scoot over.
You guys stay tuned, alright? What's going on, guys? Hey, it's Illegal Outdoorsman. Tonight we're out here doing some catfishing. You guys just seen me catch him. We hadn't done an intro yet, so I figured we'd do an intro. It's me and Sidekick and my buddy DJ. We're out here on this big old bridge and fishing for these catfish at the pump back. And the bite's been real slow. It's our first fish that we caught tonight. Wind's really bad. I'm sorry for that, guys, but hopefully we catch a few more. Not a bad little blue.
Look.
Yeah, I know. But all right, guys, stay tuned. Well, guys, update. Wind's still terrible. About to blow my hat off, so I got to wear it backwards. Crazy wind. Still only caught one fish. Fixing to be daylight though, and that should be when the bite turns on. So we're gonna stick it out a little longer, and then when it gets daylight, I'll give you all another update. Hopefully we catch some more fish. You guys stay tuned. Oh yeah, that's not a bad fish right there. I don't think. Pretty good one. I might not be able to pull him up.
Thank God.
Yeah, I can't pull him up. Get it. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. Not a bad one. That's a thing. Woo. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, guys. Got us another one. Pretty decent fish. Alright, stay tuned. Sorry for the wind. Alright, guys. Woo! Sorry about the wind. Number two. Not a bad fish. Probably about 10 pounds. I'll put the scale on him here in a little bit. But we're going to, hopefully this bite picks up now. It's starting to get daylight. So, you guys stay tuned. Alright, guys. Sorry about the wind, but I'm going to show you our setup here, what we got going on. So yeah, we got Sidekick, we got old DJ. Still only caught two, but we only got about 15 more minutes, we're done. But I wanted to show you our setup real quick on where we're fishing at and stuff. But y'all hang on. Okay, so we're on a bridge here. There's the dam over there. We got all our poles lined up through there. The wind is ridiculous, but the current, the wind's blowing that way, but the current is pulling everything that way, so your lines stay tight. It's pretty crazy. But anyway, guys, hopefully we catch another fish. If not, then you'll see the ending of this video. But there they are right there, they're covered in rocks. We're gonna eat these, so that's why they ain't in water or anything. So you guys stay tuned. Well, guys, that's it for the day. DJ, how you feeling?
Pretty good. Had fun.
Tired?
A little bit.
Worn out too. Sidekicks. I'm getting in the car. Screw you guys. But we only caught 2, but the wind was rough. So I think we could have done better if we wouldn't have had so much wind. Hey, Sidekick. She's worn out. Look at her. But anyway, guys, we'll get after them again. Hopefully we'll have a better bite. Sorry for the wind on this one. It is rough. But anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. And we'll catch y'all later.